Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a great looking coupe this is. I absolutely love the shape of it. Looks mean. Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG line premium coupe automatic. Obsidian black metallic with just under £3,000 worth of factory fitted options, including the 19-inch upgraded alloy wheels. It really does look the part. Absolutely beautiful. One local lady owner. Direct from her, we've dealt with her a few times before. April 2018 on an 18 plate. The car is absolutely stunning all the way around. It's a 2 litre 181 brake horsepower, coupled to the 9-speed G-Tronic automatic sports gearbox. This car also has the glass panoramic sunroof. It's got the night pack. It's got the 19-inch AMG alloy wheels painted in black. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Whatever angle you look at it, it is beautiful. Twin exit exhaust, front to rear parking sensors, reverse camera, privacy glass, electric boot opening, great size boot on it. All nice and clean, not been abused. Benefits from split folding rear seats. Lots of room in there. Makes it very versatile with the folding seats. Additional storage just under the carpet. And of course electric closure by the press of a button. The car's absolutely gorgeous all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs. Just look at it, absolutely fabulous. Again, all the wheels in great condition, no damage on any of these. The multi-spoke with a diamond cut and the black. All original, not been refurbished. Front parking sensors. I love the grille on these, it really does make a statement. Again, we do all the full HD video walk around to just show you how nice all the cars are. No damage, no scuffs. So when you're looking at the cars with other suppliers, do you get the same feeling of full transparency? Folding mirrors. All the door trims, all in great condition, no scratching, no marks, no scuffs. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, all nicely controlled on the modules on the driver's door panel and the passenger door panel. This is very nifty. Just pull the lever and the seat glides nicely. to give you great access to the rear. Again, all beautiful inside, all the upholstery, the full black leather Artico in great condition, no damage to that. Again, just pull the lever back and it goes back to the memory setting, makes life a lot easier. Sport seats, centre armrest with full USB media input in that. Again, all the door trims in great condition. Passenger seat, electric seats, heated seats. Nice clear dash layout. This one's also got the black ash trim, which really is very nice. Normally aluminium, but the black really does finish the car off nicely. Stereo, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, nice big clear screen. Voice activation. Nice clear menu to show you radio, media, telephone, all the vehicle details. Reverse camera, just to help you with the parking, just makes it a lot easier. Of course, especially with the front and rear parking sensors as well. Mileage of just 21,139. That's all it's done, 21,139. It's got the flat bottom AMG sport steering wheel, multifunction, paddle shift gear change, all the controls nice and easy. Cruise control with speed limiter, keyless start, automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers, and of course the panoramic glass sunroof with the electric blind. What a fabulous car. Combined miles per gallon 47.1 according to Mercedes. Really is a fabulous car to drive. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves, HP or PCP. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, low deposits. Apply direct off our website for your finance. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website to make sure nobody else beats you to it. So 2 o'clock in the morning if you fancied, click and reserve. You can click and collect, or we can arrange home delivery. Ask about further details about home delivery. read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.